Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox the new Google TV Streamer 4K model and share our thoughts about this device physically. So let's check it out. I got this device from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. We are also planning to publish a series of videos related to Google TV Streamer 4K, including our review of this. Please do subscribe to get notified about them. This video is only about the unboxing the physical product and sharing our thoughts. We will share the setup video and other stuff next. Let's unbox this now. Okay, and remove this. Okay, I have no idea why they kept that. My bad. One second. I think that's all. So these are the items, I guess. Inside the box, we have this charger. This is the US one, but I am from India, so I have to use a different one, unfortunately. USB-A. And we also have this USB-A to USB-C long cable. I would say this is pretty long. And this is the remote. And this is the main Google TV streamer device. We also get two AAA batteries. Just basic one. And user manual and safety instructions. That's all. So these are the things we have inside the box. We have the Google TV Streamer 4K. We have this charger. We have the remote. We have two AAA batteries, user manual, safety instructions, and this USB-A to USB-C cable. That's all. Unfortunately, we don't get any HDMI cable inside the box, which is a sad thing. We have to buy a separate HDMI 2.1 cable for this. I got this one from Ugreen and I hope it works. Let's check what they have mentioned on the box. This is the Google TV Streamer 4K. And at the back, they have mentioned Google TV Streamer 4K with voice remote. We have 32 GB of storage. This is the porcelain color model and some other technical information. I'll take a photo of this and share it on the screen for you. At the bottom, they have mentioned the key features of this. We have support for Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, Google TV, HDMI, and then HD, HDR, 4K. They have casting icon. And we also have logos for Matter and Thread. These are IoT stuff, I guess, Internet of Things. Let's insert the battery inside the remote now. You have to do it like this. Take the batteries and place it like this. That's all. It's done. The remote feels good and compact. Here is a size comparison with the PS5 media remote. So both of them are compact. Let's see what buttons we have on this remote. Just a small overview. We have the circular navigation buttons here and a select button here, and then back button and home button. The voice control button for Google Assistant, mute button, and this one is for increasing and decreasing the values, maybe for changing the volume or changing the channels. And we also have two media buttons, one for YouTube and one for Netflix. We have the microphone here, this one, and this is the power button and favorite button, maybe for assigning our custom favorite OTT app or any other setting. And we have the small light here. I think it should be on when the microphone is on. Coming back to the main device, this is the porcelain color model. They also have one in hazel color, but that is exclusively available on the US Google Store. If you need a light color, you can go ahead with this one, and if you need a darker one, you can try the hazel color. This is majorly made of recycled plastic and the build quality is good. This weighs around 160 grams, pretty compact. We have 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage on this. We will discuss about this more on our full review video. At the front, it is just plain, and at the back, we have this rubberized texture which should give a good grip. And at the back, we have the HDMI port and Ethernet port, USB Type C port, and this button. I'm not sure it is power button or remote find button, this button. And we also have a small LED light here. To make the most of this device, we should have five things: HDMI 2.1 cable, 4K TV or monitor with HDMI support, Google account, Google Home app, Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. We should have these five things. So this is our unboxing and first impressions about the Google TV Streamer 4K. We will publish the setup video next. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.